County District Attorney Jim O'Neill announcing the arrest of a former nurse at Atrium Health Wake Forest Baptist Medical Center on murder charges.
That now former nurse Jonathan Hayes is charged with the murder of 2 patients and the attempted murder of another. We just got this photo from our news gathering partners at the Winston-Salem Journal. When the paper did a story on Hayes, employees at the jail tell us he's still being booked, so a current mugshot is not available. In the meantime, Fox 8's Madison Forsey is live outside of Hayes' home, where police are currently searching for more evidence in this case. Madison, you've been following this story all afternoon. What can you tell us?
Yeah, so police and forensic investigators actually left about an hour ago, but they spent hours here this afternoon taking boxes from the home, loading them back to the forensic services truck and taking them away from here. Neighbors in the area tell me that they were startled by a noise around 10 or 11 o'clock this morning. They looked outside their windows and they saw a very large SWAT vehicle and around a dozen unmarked cop cars. And then they saw police officers going inside of Hayes' house and taking him out in handcuffs. The investigation into Hayes by the Winston-Salem police started back in March. Leaders with Atrium Health Wake Forest Baptist reached out to District Attorney Jim O'Neill and police after completing an internal investigation. They discovered Hayes was connected to the death of 2 patients and the near death of a third. Hayes was fired. The district attorney would not share what tipped off hospital staff to the wrongdoing. He also would not share what unit or floor the 3 patients were on. He did say those 3 patients all received a large and lethal dose of insulin. The first victim was Pamela Little. She was in the hospital on December 1st. She survived that dose of insulin. The next 2 victims, Gwen Crawford and Vicky Lingerfelt, both passed away just days after they were admitted to the hospital in January. O'Neill expressed his frustration today, saying people put an incredible amount of trust in doctors and nurses, and the acts of one rogue person shouldn't affect that.
I've tried many dozens of cases, first-degree murder cases over the years. What upsets me about these kind of cases is that we have a particularly vulnerable victim. And that's what disturbs me. I know from talking with the investigators, that's what upsets them the most. We are here to protect everyone in this community, but we give special attention to the most vulnerable because we believe that's our duty.
We are still working to learn how long Hayes worked at Baptist. Ahead at 5, hear from neighbors who saw everything happen this morning, and they described Hayes to us as a very genuine and helpful neighbor, but what they think might have led to this. For now in Winston-Salem, Madison Forsey, Fox 8 News.
Thank you, Madison. We know so many of you have questions about this case. We want to let you know that we are continuing our coverage of this breaking news during our evening newscast. I also want to pass along some very important information. We want to let you know the Winston-Salem Police Department is telling anyone who believes they or a family member may have been a victim to call that number on your screen. There it is right there at the bottom, 336-757-0357. Again, 336-757-0357. There will be personnel available Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. each day to take your information and answer your questions.